powered Kodiac lock sport.
Hey guys, it's Lord Kodiac. I want to do the Mitten Salute, the Shackleman Cuff Club P5 challenge. It's where you wear the set of Peerless 700C handcuffs with mittens of some sort or socks if you don't have mittens. My wife was so gracious to allow me to use some kitchen mittens. The unmatching, different sized mitts. Yay! At least I got some, right? Okay. As long as the lamb chops don't start talking, we're good. To put them on, you can use any tool to get one off, and then another tool to get the other cuff off, which of course you'd have one free hand at that moment, so that would always be a bonus. The hard part is to actually hold on to the tools, I think. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my tools out while I got my free hands. I'm going to use a Zac tool, which was graciously given to me by the great Studini himself, and these picks from the Coxey's Shackleman cuff set from Southern Specialties. Go check them out. So let's get into it and see if I can manage to free myself from the oven mitts. All right. First off, let's put these on, shall we? Doesn't matter on the hole in orientation. I'm going to put them holes down, holes out, whatever you want to call them. Cuffs have to actually be on, so you can see they're fairly tight. Let's get the mittens. Let's put this on. This giant mitten here is much easier to get on, but as you can see, it really covers up the hole. Well, actually, both of them cover up the hole. So I'm going to use the Zac tool in this monster mitten here that my fingers don't even get to the end. Don't knock that off. This is going to be like, I'm in trouble now. This is going to be probably not, I don't know. I was going to say it's going to be just as fun as trying to get the key out of the dish liquid stuff that not too dead challenges are with the Smith & Wesson cuffs. Trying to get it in the keyhole. And oh, okay. There's that one. Get that tool out. I think you have to wear the mitt to get the other one off, I think. So let's see the hole here so I can get the proper orientation. Nope, not in front of the post. I need to be on the other side of the post. I keep saying I need to wear my glasses. Maybe one of these days I'll actually do it. I'm as blind as a bat close up. Problem is I just can't find the hole. Yeah, don't tell nobody I said that. Oh boy, it's on video now. Forever and ever. And I knocked the camera around. There it is. Peerless, the Shackleman P5 Mitten Salute. Thank you.